Please subscribe to my channel KHS India and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sonika from KHS. Normally I upload videos about Ghat, his music, or crazy comedy videos, but this vlog is different because this is a travel vlog. I normally upload travel vlogs on my personal channel Sonika Agarwal, so I thought I'd upload them on KHS India too. August is Friendship Month on my channel, and this video is about my friendship with nature. I'm on a 2-day trip to Malshej Ghat, and in this video I'm only going to show you what I do on the first day of my trip. Video of day 2 will be up really soon guys. Malshej Ghat is a mountain pass nestled in the lofty rugged hills of the Western Ghats, and it is around 150 kilometers away from Mumbai. So I'm going to spend some time with my friend nature, with the hills, greenery, trees, flowers and waterfalls. Also I have a friendship meetup, so as I get closer to my friend nature, the meetup will start jamming up. So let's jam up. Blah. We are going to take a halt here for some breakfast. It's been an hour and a half since we set off from Thane, and gosh, I am hungry. Wow, that was some amazing masala dosa. Do you like dosas too? Let me know down below. Now I'm on my way to Malshej Ghat again. Friendship meter is really jamming up. What will happen to it at Malshej?
Check out my room. And ahead, view from my room.
So guys, I have reached Malshej after a 4-hour journey and checked into my hotel, the MTTC resort. Now I'm going to grab some rest, let the meter relax a bit, and then we're going to head out for some more photography and grab some lunch on the way too. So now it's time for some rest. Come down. Wow.
To protect my camera from the rains, I have kind of placed it in a plastic ziploc.
Let's go. Wow. We are gonna take a halt here for some photography and spend some time with nature.
After that bout of photography, we have come here for some lunch.
I would like to interrupt this vlog with this explanation. After having lunch, we decided to head towards Malshej Ghat to catch the brilliant sunset. But our plan was spoiled because it was raining super heavily at Malshej Ghat. It was super misty and windy. I have never seen such a lot of rain in my life. And so I could not vlog there. I could just take a few videos, and we were waiting in the car for the rain to settle down. But just look at the wind. After a lot of waiting, we finally decided to venture out in the rain. I did not even have a raincoat. I just had a silly umbrella which was of no use in this weather.
Nane means coin and Ghat means pass. This place was used as a toll booth to collect toll from traders crossing the hills.
Friendship meter. So guys, I had a lot of fun at Malshej today. The friendship meter surely went overboard, especially at Malshej Ghat because it was super windy and misty over there. I could not take a lot of photographs, but I took a lot of videos because it was raining heavily. But still I had a lot of fun. Friendship meter went overboard, but now it can relax a bit as I get some rest and my dinner. This was my first day at Malshej. Tomorrow will be another day full of waterfalls, photography, fun and whatnot. Stay tuned for my day 2's video. And if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you love about Malshej. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching guys. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye. No. Peace. Wow.